Hi friends, welcome to new video. In this video I am going to show how to edit exactly like this. This photo editing is called light green tone effect. When you take any photo shoot by using DSLR, the background green trees will be very dull. So by using this photo Lightroom editing, you can achieve a light color, light green tone effect which give more attraction to this image. So by using Lightroom I am going to edit like this. You can also edit your image exactly like this. So all you have to do is simply follow my video till the end and follow each and every single step, so you can also make your photo awesome like this. Now let's check into the video. Now open Lightroom application and simply add photo of yours. I am going to edit this photo today. Now simply make highlights to -100 and shadow to around +9. Simply adjust shadow to around +9 and next whites to -11 and blacks to -12. Simply follow video, follow each and every single step. Now contract to around +13. Now simply go to temp and tap on the and shadow to +9 and go to mix and tap on yellow and make around -51, hue to -51 and saturation to around +40. Now simply tap on the green color and make hue to -32 and saturation to around 89, and you have to simply adjust little more in yellow and simply go to yellow and make hue to around 68. So this is what you are going to get the light green tone effect, and make it around 32, and you have to go to green again, change hue to -28 and saturation to full to 100. Now simply go and tap temp and make it temp to +6, around +6, and tint to -4. Half of the portion of the editing is completed. Now go to mix and tap on the orange and make it saturation around -28 and luminance to +38. And now after making 38, you have to go to blue color and make hue to -3 and saturation to -100. Okay, now simply go to vignette and make vignette to around +16. This is the end of the video. This is what you are going to get light green tone effect. You can also do by follow my video. Don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends. I hope you learned something from my tutorial. Please subscribe and like the video, share to your friends. Now see my other videos in this end screens.